Once we have brought NMR data into tameNMR for visualization and analysis, we can move on to spectral processing from the left-hand tool menu. Under spectral processing are a series of actions that are to be applied to the spectra before binning. Spectra before binning is in columns and has at least 40,000 points per spectrum. This allows us to slice spectra into regions that are excluding water, allows us to perform normalization via probabilistic quotient normalization, total integral, or a reference peak, such as TSP. Peak picking, on the other hand, and a global alignment are tools that are still under construction. Global alignment has an option for alignment to reference features that we here at the University of Liverpool use on a regular basis. Finally, the spectral binning allows us to input the spectra and also the pattern file in order to integrate the spectra into bins. This binned spectra is what will become the input for the data preparation toolset and must be performed successfully beforehand. Once data is binned, we can see that the bins are now in columns and the spectra in rows. tameNMR was funded by the BBSRC grant to the University of Liverpool in collaboration with the NMR Metabolomics Facility and the Computational Biology Facility. We can be reached via Twitter, or you can access other tutorials in this series.